Hello there, Jonathan Harris here again from Coho with another one of our feature updates. A lot of what we've been publishing lately in terms of feature enhancements are all focused around visibility and access. And that's no different for the changes that we have made to the application form. Whereas previously you would struggle to have an oversight of what fields were included in your application form, you now have the opportunity to view that very publicly. We've added a couple more fields as well. One is to ask for a passport for identity purposes, but also if they select the employment section, then you can ask for their employment contract as well. So I will show you what that looks like here. If we go to the onboarding tab, and then scroll down, I've created an application already, but if you were to do this, you just click onboard new applicant. You go through the steps until you got down to this section here, which is the application form. You have the option here to indicate whether you do or do not want an application form to be completed. For this example, we are going to say yes. You then have the option to create a new application form or select one that you've created previously for another tenant. So if we take the example of a new application form, it will give you an example of the sort of things you can select. So you've got all of these options here. The most recent ones are the proof of identification and also the employment status that you can click here. If we were to select an existing application form, the beauty of this is when you select it, it now gives you all of the merge tags or the fields that are included within that document itself. So that's really cool because previously you couldn't see that, whereas now when you select an application form, you can now see all of the various requests that will come through as part of that application form. So do give it a go. It's a small change, but it's a particularly mighty one. So we hope you enjoy it. As always, any questions, do just reach out to the team here at Coho. Take care.